It's a revolution that challenges our very concept of the sport. As we've navigated through this thrilling journey, we've come across key points which not only underline the impact of AI on racing, but also provide a glimpse into the future of this adrenaline-fueled sport. AI has indeed made racing safer and more efficient. By taking over the wheel, it has reduced the possibility of human error, potentially saving lives in the process. The efficiency of AI-controlled cars in terms of fuel consumption and tire management has also given racing a green edge, making the sport more sustainable. But the impact of AI goes beyond the track. It's redefining roles within the racing community. Drivers are evolving into pilots who guide and oversee the AI systems. Engineers are becoming AI specialists, developing algorithms that can outpace the competition. Even fans are engaging with the sport in new ways as they watch AI-controlled cars not only compete, but also learn and improve with each lap. Moreover, AI has the potential to democratize racing. By reducing the costs and risks associated with the sport, it could open up the world of racing to a broader audience. We could see more people participating, not just as spectators, but also as competitors, further enriching this thrilling sport. However, like any technological revolution, AI in racing raises ethical issues. It could lead to job losses, as traditional roles become obsolete. The debate over fair competition also looms large. Should an AI's performance be limited to ensure a level playing field? Or should we embrace the full potential of AI, even if it means completely reshaping the sport? These are questions that the racing community will need to grapple with in the coming years. As AI continues to race forward, the only certainty is that the world of racing will never be the same. The finish line? It's just the beginning of a new